So I had some battery terminal buildup here, and so what I'm going to do is first take off this, break it up a little bit with a toothbrush, and get all this powder loose. And then before I make too much of a mess, turn on the shop vac. And then add some hot water. That really cleans it up nicely. Yeah. That almost takes care of the problem completely. And then here I have some baking soda and water mixed up. And I'll put some of that on. And use the toothbrush to scrub off anything that's left. And that's a good way to clean these things up and keep the corrosion off of them.